Just like your car, regular tune-ups for your air conditioner can help maintain its performance and prevent big future issues. So today I'm here talking with Bob Briley from We Care Plumbing, Heating and Air. So thanks for being with me.
Thanks for having me.
Let's talk about how often you should get a tune-up first.
You should get your tune-up every season. I mean, you can get a heat tune-up in the winter or an air conditioning tune-up in the summer. Right now, the weather's starting to turn. We're going to get hot. You seriously need to start thinking about your air conditioning.
Because just like a car, you don't want to be stranded on the side of the road. The worst thing would be when it's time to turn on your air conditioner for the first time in the season and it click, click, doesn't work.
Right, and you want to make sure that it's working properly. I mean, you don't want to be turning your air conditioner on and not have it maintained, and you're not getting proper efficiency. You're wasting money. You're throwing it out the window, and you're not getting your air conditioning working right.
Okay, so we should get them twice a year, once each season, make sure everything's in working order. So what goes into that tune-up when we call it?
When we come out, we're going to check your system. We're going to check to make sure all the amp draws and all the electrical components are working properly. We're going to make sure all your wires are working there. You're going to make sure your Freon is where it's supposed to be. Freon is like an antifreeze for a car. It cools your car. Same with the Freon.
Yeah, you don't want it to work too hard and overheat.
Correct.
That'll prevent it from working correctly.
And then you can have catastrophic breakdown of your system, and next thing you know, you're using your air conditioning system, it breaks, and then you're trying to find a service guy.
So it's really kind of just like going to the doctor to get a physical, taking your car in for regular maintenance. You want to make sure that if you are going to experience larger problems, this is a great way to catch them early because you're kind of always in tune with how your system is performing and its current status.
Right. You want to have the confidence that when you flip that switch when you need it, your system is going to come on and work properly.
Absolutely. So how much is a tune-up?
There's $79 right now.
Well, that just seems really kind of like an easy, affordable, almost an insurance peace of mind to make sure that everything's going to be in working order and I can kind of get foresight to see if problems are coming down the road. Because during a tune-up, you'll be able to say, we think this is maybe coming soon.
Right.
This part's looking like it's going to fail. And just having that insight is really, really nice.
Yeah, it's kind of like insurance, except this thing is you're actually getting something for the money right there. You're not paying into something and
even
hopefully
better.
You don't use it. You're actually going to get a service for it.
Yeah, even better. So what happens when you come out and do the inspection? How long does it take? What do we need to know?
We like to run about an hour and a half to 2 hours to make sure your system's working properly. We're not going to come out there and blow and go and get out of there. We're going to dig into it and make sure it is working the way it's supposed to be.
Thanks so much, Bob. So get your $79 tune-up today. Let WeCare help you keep your AC in great shape. You can find them right on ApprovedHomePros.com/WeCare.